how to make 200 predictions in 2 minutes. We shall use Vriganandi Naadi and lal-kitab for this. Great Guru Mr. R.G. Rao, in his great work Vriganandi Naadi, has taught us many techniques of Naadi Astrology. उनके इस किताब में 1 से लेके 503 तक का चार्ट का वर्णन है। इनमें से अगर हम एज एन एग्जाम्पल चार्ट नंबर 148 को लेते हैं तो ये है चार्ट नंबर 148 और सिंपल इसी चार्ट से एक ही बार चार्ट से उन्होंने कितना बढ़िया प्रेडिक्शन किया आप जानते हैं। उनके ये सिस्टम में कोई विंशत्तरी या अष्टत्तरी या कोई दशा का प्रयोग नहीं होता। Now look at the predictions. Number 1, he is very intelligent. Number 2, he is from noble family. Number 3, he is highly educated. Number 4, he has brothers and sisters. Number 5, he will be happy. Number 6, earn money from different sources. Number 7, wife educated and intelligent. Number 8, wife will be lecturer. Number 9, both wife and husband have no trust on each other. Number 10, native have discriminative ability. Number 11, several women tried to entice him. Number 13, he will be employed in some operational unit. Number 14, he will quit his job at the age of 32 to 33. Number 15, travels from enemies on 44, 45 and 47. Number 16, he will fall in at 47. Number 17, he will own a beautiful house. Number 18, he will have 2 to 3 children. Number 19, will have infame at 27, 33, 37 due to women. Number 20, will change his place as at 47. Number 21, will get a job at 47. Number 22, favorable period from 51 to 58 years of his life. Number 23, he will live up to 70 to 75 years. Now if we can take Naadi and lal-kitab, the South Indian and the North Indian astrology together, then we can make minimum 200 prediction from a bar chart within 2 minutes. Namaskar, I am Dr. Sagar Niyagi, eagerly waiting to discuss with you this super predictive technique. Please click the link below and book a free learning session with me. See you there.